Hi, it's Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel. And today's video is a little bit different. We're going to not review any explosive topic. There'll be no animation or explosions or car chases. It's going to be just very relaxing on, well, what's the beach all about at Vero Beach? Seen from Disney's Vero Beach Resort. The entrance to the beach is straight at the rear of the main building for Disney's Vero Beach Resort. So once out of the building, turn right and just go down the walkway as we pass the rooms, some other rooms classified as INN rooms. Some cornhole on one side. Some information on nesting turtles. Just very nice to see there. And then directly across from the main pool is the very nicely covered entrance to the beach area. Now, that covered entrance takes you to this vantage point to view the beach from up top. And that's where, as you see, you have the opportunity to rent lounge chairs, umbrellas at the beach, or cabana. And the staff there were very, very nice. They even showed us how we can look for shark teeth that came up on the shore amongst all the shells. Very nice. And there you see, look at some of the cabanas and the loungers and umbrellas. As you can tell, very windy day. That's why some folks were actually in the covered cabanas, but we didn't see anybody because of the wind and the cold. This was back in mid-January, mid-January when we went. So to access the beach, you need your key card or your room key. And there you have it. Now let's look at some of those up close and personal beach scenes. Now, as mentioned, it's too cold and too windy for anyone to go out in the water in the ocean. But nonetheless, very beautiful, very tranquil weekend, at least for us, and gave us some opportunity to hunt for some pretty cool-looking seashells. Hey, we'll get back to the video in just a second. We just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this far. Hopefully you're enjoying it. And if you are, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've not done so already, please click that subscribe button. Clicking the subscribe button really helps. Thank you so much. Now, back to the video. You know, different from when you go to Hawaii, you're not allowed to take seashells or the sand from the public beaches. But here in Florida, not a problem. So we did. And this little clip reminds me of one of the short animations from Disney about the small birds running away from the foamed water of the ocean. Very cute. And then we'll wrap up our short video on the beach at Disney's Vero Beach Resort with going back up to the resort. Beautifully done, very attractively done mural. Again, emphasizing the turtles and the hatchlings. So well done. Nancy and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Here are 2 more videos of ours to watch. My email is in the description below. Thank you and see you next time.